In today's video, I'll teach you how to add IQ option script. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, click on the search bar and type in this link iqoption.com/street room, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of IQ option. You can see over here, initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to add the script, it is actually very simple. In the chart at left hand side, you'll be able to find various icons over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the icon for indicators. Click on it. Now you'll be able to add the indicators, templates, widgets and scripts over here. Simply click on this option scripts. Now you'll be able to import the script, or you'll also be able to add it manually. If you want to import the script, for that what you have to do is simply click on this option, import script. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to import the script. You can simply go to the desired location and import the script. Likewise, you'll also be able to add it manually. For that, simply click on this option, add manually. Now you can see over here you'll be able to add it manually. Simply make the necessary changes, add the script according to your choice and click on this option save that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here the new script will be added. So that is how you add IQ option script. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.